In the evenings, we'll have the specific numbers and the complete official Festival International forecast coming up in just a little bit.
Thanks, Rob. And back out here live at Festival International, we do want to tell you about some heightened security measures for Festival this year. Here are some of those additions. Surveillance has been increased by the Lafayette Police Department, and shows on Friday and Saturday will end no later than 10 o'clock. The shuttle stop has also been changed. This year it's located at the intersection of Lee and Berry Streets, and LUS has installed brighter, more cost-efficient LED lights in an effort to increase visibility down here at night.
So LUS did install these brighter, more cost-efficient street lights downtown. They are LED, and the benefits to Festival are they are brighter, so they do shine on more areas of the sidewalk, so pedestrians will feel more comfortable when walking downtown, especially during those later hours for Festival.
And this year, LUS is also using technology to enhance this year's festival experience. As Danielle Garcia reports, that technology is actually part of a bigger plan for the city.
What we call it is le rue de technologie, is a technology street. That where we're trying to showcase some of the things that can happen in the future.
That technology street will pave the way for Lafayette to become a smart city with cutting-edge technology. LUF Fiber is overseeing the project, which will run throughout Festival International.
The fiber system that LUS was built not only just to provide telecommunication services to customers, but more importantly to do some great things for our community.
Some of the new technologies you'll see along Jefferson Street during Festival are remote-controlled LED lights, Wi-Fi, and cameras.
Right now it's just for the festival because we just want to kind of give everybody a glimpse of that and just to showcase it a bit. But as time goes on, we're going to be looking for those locations, and of course downtown is certainly a very good place to start.
LUF Fiber is also teaming up with Adoxio to host a hackathon competition to develop solutions for major issues the city is facing.
The Smart City Challenge is about bringing new ideas and new concepts centered around innovation, solving city problems that may deal with energy, may deal with traffic, may tie into some things that are unique to the city, maybe flooding, and it helps to bring kind of the digital era into the present.
Technology companies will present their ideas on Friday afternoon at the Science Museum. The city will then implement the winner's concept.
So, right now it does require kind of a village, if you will, to create a smart city. And we're bringing some of the best and brightest in the technology space to Lafayette in a competition to come up with some of those ideas and then tie them all together as a finished product.
In Lafayette, Danielle Garcia, KTC TV3.
For the Smart City Challenge will be held at the Lafayette Science Museum tomorrow at 3 o'clock. The award presentation will be held afterward here at the festival main stage.
Festival organizers have done their best to make it as easy as possible for those who are coming out here. You have the app that tells you everything you need to know about the bands and everything else. And parking, people always wonder about parking. Well, don't worry, they've taken care of that as well. This year again, the festival shuttle is available. You park at Cajun Field and get on board until Sunday. Every night until Sunday, the shuttle is available. Starts at Cajun Field and drops off at the corner of Lee and Berry Streets right here in downtown Lafayette. Rides start at 4 o'clock tomorrow and then at 10:30 in the morning on Saturday and Sunday, and the shuttle will run every 15 minutes.
And you can meet some of the hard-working musicians attending Festival tomorrow. KETC is once again proud to sponsor the Festival Chat Room at the Acadiana Center for the Arts. There you can learn more about the artists' backgrounds and influences in both French and English. And while hearing acoustic performances as well, the chat room will be open tomorrow from 6 until 9:30. Then it reopens Saturday from 1 until 7:15, and again on Sunday afternoon from noon until 6 o'clock.
And when you have all this music from all over the world right here in one place, music equates dancing.
Yeah, it does. Too bad I have two left feet over here.